kitchen this morning with Chef Lady Ren, and we are making Mediterranean chicken pita tacos.
That's right, tacos and cocktails.
I love it.
It already smells really good. Just standing right here.
I love
Great.
tacos.
Well, yeah.
Brings me back to my time in Texas.
Oh, they're
All right.
wonderful. So our tacos, our taco shell is gonna be with pitas.
Yeah.
Okay.
Again, and you know, Mediterranean cooking is just fresh, a lot of vegetables, lean meat. It's just eating and enjoying food. So here
can
we
do
go.
that.
We can do that. Exactly. I like to eat. All right. So this is how it's done.
Okay.
It starts off with chicken breast.
Sure.
And I'll show you. Do you know when they say tenderize your chicken breast between plastic wraps or whatnot? You've
Right.
heard that?
Yes,
Okay.
yes,
So you know
yes.
how to do that?
Sure.
Okay. Well, good. Here. I know.
I've never done this before.
What do I do?
so
Really?
I'm
Chop it?
interested
So
to
that's
see.
why I brought it. So
Okay.
Chop it?
You just
So this is called a meat tenderizer.
It looks like a gavel. Is that what it's called? In the courtroom?
In the courtroom.
Yeah, that's what it looks like.
the courtroom of Lady Ren.
Order in Lady Ren's kitchen.
That's right. So now this is what, and then I'll have you do it. So this is how you tenderize the chicken
Okay.
when you see it in recipes. It's this. Now you don't, like you're hammering away.
Okay.
So you gently tap it around. And what
Okay,
you're doing
I'm good at
is
this.
you're flattening it
Okay.
because chicken breast is thick. So, and the marinade for this is yogurt. So I have
Yogurt,
Greek
okay.
yogurt, fresh lime zest, fresh lime juice, salt to your, and
Uh-oh, it's coming out of the bag.
that's okay. That's fine. You really pound it. That's okay. We're good. And then I add Lady Ren's blender, Greek seasoning, and the complete recipe is on my website, ladyrens.com.
so good. It smells really
so
good.
you will. This is what your marinade would look like.
Okay.
Okay. And okay. So if we didn't have this pounded out, what we would be doing is you would then pour your marinade in the bag or in a bowl, and that's you put. Your chicken breast will now be in the marinade.
How long do you have to let it marinate?
At least 4 hours, but
Okay.
what I love to do with any meat, overnight, because it's
Just
much
really
more
let it soak in.
flavorful.
Okay.
As well as a marinade also tenderizes the meat, so it's not as tough.
Okay.
So once we're finished with
Yeah,
this,
what do we do next?
what are we going to do next is we will, on the way you cook it now, when you're ready to, on your grill, in your oven, on the stove top, you will take your chicken breast, cook it,
Okay.
then you slice it up or dice it.
Okay.
After we have that, here is the pita shells, and I will have Alicia put together what's our topping. And in the meantime, Carolyn, I'll have you do something for me so we speed up the process.
Okay.
Okay?
Does
So-
it matter what I
well,
start
Alicia,
with, or?
these are olives,
Okay.
Kalamata olives. So if you would add this to the sun-dried tomatoes and red onions, and
Mix it up.
and that's right, and fresh diced cucumbers. If you put that in there and stir it up, then we'll come back and
Okay.
you will put the tacos together.
Love it.
So Carolyn, I'm making.
Yes.
This is a lime coconut cocktail.
Put the lime in the coconut and shake it all up.
Okay, we're gonna do that.
Okay.
All right, so this is a signature drink of my dad. So I
Okay.
made it in honor of him for Father's
Oh,
Day.
lovely.
So, but with my twist, of course. So the limeade, and the recipe is in the cookbook.
Okay.
We're gonna add coconut water.
Okay.
So this is fresh lime juice, and we have a simple syrup, which is usually equal water and sugar. You dissolve it so it's not crystallized, it's melted.
Okay.
So what you can do now is add some coconut water.
Put the coconut in the
And
lime.
that's right.
How much?
To taste usually, so you could, I would say, fill it up to there. Yeah. And then you will, there you go, and then you stir
you
it
shake
all,
it
around,
all
over.
up.
That's right. We're shaking, not stirred.
Caroline is loving to sing this morning.
Well,
I love it.
This is what happened when we're up, 3 in the morning.
You was? Yeah.
Right? Good. And so now here's the thing. I have shredded coconut here as a garnish as well,
Lovely.
and mint from my garden. So you can pour that in there.
Wonderful. Alicia,
And then
how's it going over there?
It's
So
great. I've
Alicia,
mixed up the
you're done.
cucumber
Good.
with the
So here
sun-dried
is how we do
tomatoes.
this, Alicia.
Okay.
So let's put this here for you.
Have fun.
and follow my lead, right? I give you this.
Okay.
I have
Put
one.
the chicken.
Yep, and Carolyn, if you would like any rum, this is golden rum.
Oh,
you can add a
wild.
little or a lot or none.
Oh, Alicia might want a little rum.
That's right. And then you put that there, correct?
Alicia wants
Absolutely.
a lot of rum. No, I'm just
Yeah.
kidding.
Oh, okay, Alicia.
Red rum, red rum.
And
I'm just kidding.
so after you finish doing this, what you do now is this is feta cheese. And I know Caroline loves to
I
do
do.
the cheese part. So
Caroline just loves the cheese, everybody.
I'm a cheese person too.
Yeah.
Oh yes, that's on.
so
And
pretty.
this
It's
is
almost
a
too
lime crema, which
Oh,
is
nice.
again yogurt and lime juice and lime zest, and then garnish with fresh parsley or
Parsley,
cilantro.
okay.
Is that from your garden?
That's from my garden.
Sprinkle
Lovely.
So
it
you
on.
have fresh herbs from my garden. And
Oh, Alicia really went for it with the
yes,
parsley.
so yeah, there you go, and that's your taco. So let's serve Carolyn.
Can we try it?
Yes, please do.
Okay, let's give it a little try. Try the cheese.
Try the cheese.
Oh,
yeah.
yes. Can't go wrong with that.
Yeah. And
Alicia, here's your rum drink.
Thank you, thank you.
And there, and you know what?
Cheers.
Yeah, cheers. Thank you, Lady
That's
Ren.
right. You are welcome. Tell me what you think about your lime and the coconut.
Ooh, I like it.
Okay. And again, simple to put together. And with any recipe, what I like is
straw
being
is
able to
malfunctioning.
repurpose it. And that's what we did
Ooh.
with the limeade, as well as with your tacos. You can have them for your lunch. You know, if you make them, you can store it in the fridge. The meat can be marinated way ahead of time and stored in the freezer, and I have all of that in my chef's tips and the recipes. So you see how simple it was to put together? Indeed,
Yes.
it is
I
that
accidentally
simple.
took a really big bite for television, but it was really good.
Well,
And
you know what?
This
That's
is very refreshing.
Thank
It
you.
is.
Thank you. And the sweetness from the coconut water adds flavor to, so you need less sugar
There you
in
go.
your limeade.
Wonderful.
So, thank you.
And we see your cookbook here. I understand this cookbook's been out for 5 years now.
5 years.
Time flies, right?
Time flies when we're cooking. Yes. And
Crazy.
yeah. So 5 years, and I still cook from my own cookbook. So
I love that.
That's-
And healthy recipes, but what is fun about this is you get to eat some tacos and feel kind of festive and fun, but it's
Yeah.
still kind of healthy.
Yeah, you know, I like to tell people, you hear the word diet and you run for the hills.
Right.
That's not what it's about. It's about enjoying food, but knowing how to prepare the food and what's in the food, as well as, you know, your portions. But there are times you indulge in good food.
Well, this is
Absolutely.
definitely some good food and drink. Love this
Yeah.
lime.
So fun.
So
Well, thank you so much
you're
for joining
welcome.
us.
Thanks for having me, and happy Father's Day to all
Yes,
of
a
that.
happy early Father's Day.
Yeah, and I must give a shout out to my Lady Ran fan base. Oh, they get up and they join and they watch it.
Oh, I love
Yes.
that. Okay, we'll be right back.
Bye, everybody. Thank you.